Hello and welcome. Today we will go through our smart trigger lock for guns. Let's start with what's in the box. An instruction manual, the smart lock, USB-C charging cable, and a couple of mechanical keys. Let's go for the features of the lock. On the lock we can find the fingerprint sensor, the status LED, and under a lid, an USB-C charging port. There is a magnetic cover on the back, concealing the keyhole. Use a proper tool to lift it. Pay attention because it could be a little bit tricky. Use the mechanical keys in case of emergency, as shown. It's very easy. Out of the box, any fingerprint will open the lock. To configure the admin fingerprint, just remove the rubber lid and locate the reset button. Press it once. The blue LED will flash. Place the chosen admin fingerprint on the sensor for 6 times. Each time the green LED confirms the reading. See how now other fingerprint will open now the lock. Always wait for the lock to close before operating the sensor. It takes about 5 seconds. You can now place the rubber cover back on. You can avoid using the reset button to set up the lock. Just place any finger on the sensor and keep it there until the blue LED flashes. As before, you might now place the chosen admin fingerprint on the sensor for 6 times. Each time, the green LED confirms the reading. We may now set the user fingerprints. Remove the lid, as with the admin fingerprints, and hit the reset button. Press now the admin fingerprint on the sensor. The green LED flashes. Press the chosen user fingerprint for 6 times on the sensor. Each time, the blue light will flash, and the green also, confirming the reading. You may now see how the chosen user fingerprint will open the lock. Same as before, we can use the sensor to register the user fingerprints. Just press the admin fingerprint and wait until the blue LED flashes. Then place the chosen user fingerprint on the sensor for 6 times. To delete the user fingerprints, press the reset button twice. you will see the red LED flashing. Now just place the admin fingerprint on the sensor once. The green LED will flash and the user fingerprints will be erased. You can see how the user fingerprints we registered are not valid anymore. The admin fingerprint is still valid. Let's reset completely the lock. Press the reset button for 5 seconds. The green LED will flash twice and the motor will run, confirming the operation. The lock is now reset and any fingerprint can open it. Thank you. If you have any question, please contact our customer service.